So Bhushanakavehe Shivaraja Darshanam. One minute. Which one? I think we finished the first paragraph was over. Kimiva Nirartham Prashnana Uttankayasi. I think we stopped with this. Shivaji, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja, he has come to a place in a disguise. He is wearing the disguise of a warrior, Bhatavesha Dhari Asti, and then he comes out of the Shiva Mandiram. When he comes out of the Devalayam, he sees a horse, and there was a description of the horse. There was also a boy who was nearby, a young man who was trying to Santvayantam. Samipam agatya chuchutkaraihi ashvam santvayantam yuvakam apashyat. He saw a boy, and then he asked him questions. Kasya ayam ashvaha? Whose is this horse? Satu swakarya lagnaha. He was in his own work, and anyamanaskaha. He did not think about anything else. He was only thinking about the work on hand. And he says, Samayatah kopi. Someone has come. Iti udatarat. Punarapi kutaha ayataha yuyam. So Shivavira is very patient here and asking him again, where have you all come from? So that boy gets really annoyed, and he says, Kimiva nirartham prashnan uttankayasi. Why are you constantly asking me useless questions here? Nirartham. Uttankayasi is more like throwing questions at me like this. Alapitum ichhasi chet ghatika yugalam ativahya Samayasyasi yatha purita jatara pitakaha tamraka dhumapanaih galanalam kavoshnayan tvayasaha vartabhihi adhvaparishramam alpaishyami iti avachat. The boy says, Alapitum ichhasi chet ghatika yugalam ativahya samayasyasi. If you want to talk with me properly, then you will come after 2 ghatika. Ghatika yugalam. Ghatika here is a kind of a measure or hour, 2 hours. So alapitum ichhasi chet. If you wish to talk to me, then samayasyasi, you will come after ativahya, after கழிச்சு 2 இது தள்ளி அப்படிங்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி. So after spending 2 hours, you will come here. Yatha purita. I don't think ghatika is hour. Ghatika should be something less than an hour here. Probably.
Is it like narigai?
Nariga irkalam. Ghatika 2 hours. Oh, ghatika is just 24 minutes. Okay.
That's like 1 narigai, right?
Illa. 1 narigai is 48 minutes.
Oh.
Yes, 48 minutes is narigai. Muhurtam is 48 into 2. அந்த மாதிரி வரும். So 24 minutes is a ghatika. So there are totally 60 ghatikas in a day. So 2 ghatikas would mean again 1 narigai. Yes, 48 minutes. Correct. So inge ghatika yugalam ativahya, having spent 48 minutes somewhere else, ghatika yugalam, you will come back. Yatha purita jathara pitakaha aham tvayasaha vartabhihi parishramam alpaishyami. So the connection here would be, after I have filled my stomach up. So purita jatara pitakaha. Pitakam is jatara petika. The vayirungra putti ananna roppitu nartham. So my stomach is like a petika, which I would have, by then I would have filled it up with food. So purita jatara pitakaha aham tamraka dhumapanaihi galanalam kavoshnayan. Kavoshnayan ishad ushni kurvan. Having made my gala nalam, the throat, a little bit nanachinduங்கிறோம் இல்லையா, கொஞ்சம் ஜலத்தை விட்டு நனைச்சிண்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் பேசுறேன். That is, he is feeling dry, he wants to eat, and then he wants to drink a little bit. Not just drink here, he wants to make his throat a little warm with the tamraka dhumapanam. So tobacco. He wants to take in tobacco smoke and then warm up his throat a little bit. And then after that, Kavoshnayan, after making it a little warm, Tvaya saha vartabhihi adva parishramam alpayishyami. I am extremely fatigued. Adva parishramaha mai vartate. Tam parishramam alpayishyami alpi karomi. I will make sure that that fatigue becomes little bit lesser by talking to you. So usually if you're very tired after a journey, then you would want to lessen that fatigue by it will automatically go down if you start talking to someone katha shravanena athava katha alapena, it will automatically come down. So that's what he's saying. So let me first fill my, satiate my hunger and then warm my throat with tobacco smoke. Tadanantaram, tamraka is tambaku. Tasya dhumasya panena. Tobacco, smoke, panam is inhaling. So gala nalam, gala is throat, nalam is the passage. So the passage of my throat will be kavoshnayan. Slightly I will make it a little warm and then I can talk with you by the vartabihi, by speaking to you, my fatigue will be lessened. I will lessen my fatigue. Iti avochat. So he said in this manner. The words of the Yuvaka itself seems very high flown here. So tadakarnya antarvihasan iva shivaviraha. Listening to this, smiling inside, antarvihasan, ridiculing him a little bit. And when you hear these words, you will naturally laugh a little bit, right? So antarvihasan iva shivaviraha tatha karishyavaha. Kathayatavat kutaha agataha yuyam iti punarapi aprichat. Right, you can do that. Yes, we will do that. That's right. But tell me, from where have you come? So he is not ready to let go of this conversation here. Kathayatavat. In the meantime, tell me, you can fill up your stomach, you can do all that, that's fine. But tavat, in the meantime, tasmin samaye, kuta agataha iti kathaya. Iti punaha api apricchate, he again asked, Satu ghotake dattadrishtihi eva sakopam avadit. His eyes was fully on that horse. Ghotake eva, ashve eva, dattadrishtihi. His eyesight was on that horse. And sakopam avadit, he spoke with a little bit of anger here. Kuta agataha yuyam iti kutahkaraihi spotitau me karnau. Both my ears seems to have broken here. Spotitam na abade vedichudtungra. It's actually exploding here. By the kutahkaraihi. Kutaha iti prashnaihi mama karnau spotitau. They have been exploding here. Yeah.
So, so Tavat is here, it's an avyayam or is it still, is it
Avyayam.
It's an avyaya here, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes it comes in as a filler word, right? Taniya one meaning irukku solல முடியாது இல்லையா?
முடியாது. இந்த இடத்துல கதைய தாவத். So ததா கரிஷ்யாவஹ future, but in the meantime tell me, no? அப்படிங்க. So contextல sometimes it can have a meaning, sometimes it can just be a stylistic expression there.
Just like அப்புறம் சொல்லு, like that.
ஆமா, அது பண்ணலாம். இப்ப சொல்லு அப்படிங்கிறோம் அந்த மாதிரி. இப்போ more like எங்க இருந்து வந்திருக்கு?
அதாவது it's good. It can make somebody to laugh. But even before the boy said Kutakare, he spotito, why did he laugh even before that?
That is because he is saying, all Shivavira is asking is, where have you come from? He has to just answer with one word. Asmat nagarat vayam agataha iti. Without answering all that, he is able to give such a big expression here. He is saying, if you want to talk, wait for 2 ghatikas, I will fill my stomach and that. இதெல்லாம் தேவையில்லையே. It requires just a one word answer here. That is why he is laughing.
He just didn't want to answer.
Yeah, exactly.
And
கேள்வி கேட்டுட்டே இருக்கேங்கிறான்.
Yeah, he could think of the word Tamraka Dhuma Pana.
He can't just say Dilli taha agataha. It is just one word. It would have solved the whole thing, no?
and also like being a groom, horse groom, he's talking this much. அப்போ வந்து அந்த ஸ்டேட்டஸ்க்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி அவன் வந்து like maybe is like showing off. அவனோட ஸ்டேட்டஸ்க்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி பேசவும் இல்லை. அவன் is giving too many answers.
Probably. So Shivavira is also laughing at how he is talking beyond his capabilities.
Beyond his status, yeah, that's what I thought.
Possible. And he has also not looked at Shivavira to see who he is, and probably he should have answered in a better manner to him. Yeah.
It is class illaya, in the sense that he is probably very young and he's not been it's not well read or anything. So அப்படியே ஒரு rough and tough மொரட்டத்தனமா பேசுவாங்க.
ஆமா
Correct.
ஆமா.
Yeah, he's thug life.
எனக்கு இதான் முக்கியம். நான் இதெல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு தான் வருவேன் அப்படி.
ஆமா, ஏன் வேலையை பண்ண விடுறியா அப்படின்பா. But in a way it's such a discipline there. See, he is so involved in his own work that this Shivavira keeps on coming and interfering in his work, and the rhythm is gone there, no?
Correct.
So kutahkaraihi spotito me karna vayam dillitaha agataha dillitaha. Very natural way of answering la. Okay, we have come from Delhi. Kathaya Kim gajam dadasi ghotakam va. I have answered your question. Are you going to give me an elephant or are you going to give me an ashwa as a price for giving the answer? Gajam dadasi ghotakam va. Tadakarnya Shivaviraha tat prakritim parignyaya, understanding his nature, prakriti, shanaihi parivritya mandirasya paschima-deshe paryatitum arebhe. Now, knowing his character, if he goes on questioning him further, he is going to get insulted in this manner, or at least he is going to get such answers, annoying answers. So he doesn't want to annoy him also. So tat prakritim parignyaya, knowing the nature of that lad, shanaihi parivritya, slowly he goes around and mandirasya paschima deshe, in the western direction of that temple, paryatitum arabhe, he started to roam around in the direction that is the west side of this mandiram. Okay. Ko ayam kutaha ayam charaha va sandeshaharo va kapata pathiko va asmat pakshapati va shatru padatihi va koyam ubhaya paksha udasino va iti sadyayeva vigneyam iti vicharayan mandira paschatya prachira gavakshat ayantam kaschit aspashta alapadhvanim ashroshit. So Shivavira was thinking about who this could be. Kaha ayam, who has come. Kutaha ayam, where has this person come from? Charahava, is he a spy? Sandeshaharahava, or has he brought any message? Kapata pathikaha, or is he a person who has taken on the disguise of a traveler? Falsely has he taken on the disguise of a traveler? Asmat pakshapati va, or is he favorable towards us? Shatru padatihi va, or is he a padati, a foot soldier of the enemy camp? Koyam ubhaya paksha udasinaha va, or is he someone who is neutral? Udasinaha, who is neutral to both paksha, both sides. Va iti sadyayeva vigneyam, I have to know immediately about the true nature of who this person is who has come. He being a Raja, and he has also come in disguise to try to find out what is happening in the country. So he has all of these questions in his mind. Iti vicharayan, analyzing in this manner. Mandira paschatya prachira gavakshat ayantam kaschit aspashta alapadhvanim ashraushit. As he was analyzing this ashraushit, he heard aspashta alapadhvani, a conversation, the sound of a conversation which is not very clear, unclear sound of conversation. He heard which was coming from, the dhvani was coming from, Ayantam dhvanim ashraushit. Dhvanihi kutaha ayataha gavakshat ayataha. It is coming from a window on the parapet wall around the mandira. So mandira paschatya prachira gavaksha. Prachiraha is parikha. Parikha is a kind of a wall around, or the courtyard around the mandira. So in the prakaram, yeah. So you can say that it is like the prakaram and the wall that is built around the prakara of a temple. So in that wall there will be small holes, gavaksha. The idila கோயம்புத்தூர் பக்கம் முதல்ல போனேனே ஒரு டெம்பிளுக்கு பவானி அங்க வந்து so there is one story that they say about how an English general, he came and through the hole there on the parapet wall he saw the darshanam of Swami. So there is a small hole in the wall near and the padithorekku pakkathla, adavadhu just near the tank or the river Bhavani. You will find that there is a wall and there are 2-3 small window-like construction there, and they have a story there. So even in the parapet walls, you can have small openings which are like gavaksha. So gavaksha nale the vyutpatti is goho akshiva. So it is actually like the eyes of a cow. That is on the palagani ingrom, yeah, and the kallu palagani imbo. If you see all those olden type of windows, they will have the openings which are like the eyes of a cow. So that's why it is called a gavaksha. Probably in the paschatya, in the western direction of the mandiram, where there is a prachira, there was a parapet wall. In that there was a gavaksha, a window through which there was a unclear dhvani that was coming. So 2 people were conversing there. Ashraushit, he heard it. Kshanam viramyacha gavaksha samipam agatya. He stopped for a moment and then came close to the window. Dhvani pratidhvanibihi avyaktamsha bahulam api uktim nishchichye yat. Even though because of dhvani pratidhvani, because of the sound and pratidhvani echoing, because of the echoing of the sound, dhvanehe pratidhvanibihi avyaktamsha bahulam uktim. So not dhvani and pratidhvani here. You take it as because of the echoing of the sound, there were a lot of avyaktamsha. There were many parts of the conversation which was not clear. So avyaktamsha bahulam uktim, the conversation or the speech that had a major portion which was avyaktamsha, which was avyakta, which was not clear. Uktim evam uktim nishchitye yat. So avyaktamsha bahulam api, even though there were many parts which were not clear, tathapi tam uktim evam asit, tam uktim evam nishchichye, that is nishchitavan. He decided that conversation should have been like this. So he could, அதாவது ஒரு மாதிரி அதை வந்து கண்டுபிடிச்சு அவரால் வந்து நிச்சயம் பண்ண முடிஞ்சதுன்னு அர்த்தம். யத். So what did he think it was? Chiraya dilli vallabha pani pallava tallajat chayam adhyushitaha asmi. Param vayam kavayaha kasyapi rajatvam veeratvam va pratapitvam va adhyatvam va na apekshamahe. So this is a kavi who is from the conversation we understand that this kavi has been in the patronage, under the patronage of Dilli Vallabha, that is the Delhi Sultanate. He was living under the patronage of that king, the Sultan. Now he did not want to be there any longer. So he wanted to come and show off his talent to Shivaveera and become a part of the Shivaji's court. So that is the idea of this conversation. So let's hear what that Kavi is saying. Chiraya, for a long time, Adhyushitaha asmi, I have been living under the shadow, chaya, of Dilli Vallabha Pani Pallava Tallaja Chaya. Tallajaha is Sreshta or Prasad. Another Matallika, Macharchika, Prakanda Muddha Tallaja. So Tallaja also is a Sreshtavachi Shabda. matallika. This is also sreshtha-vachi shabda. Ratnam cholrom. Stri ratnam. Ityukte stri sreshtha. So one who is the best among the women. So here also Dilli Vallabha, the king of Delhi, Pani Pallava Tallaja, the great Pani Pallavam, the great எப்படி சொல்றது, the great hand, அந்த தல்லஜ எங்க போய் சேர்றதுன்னு பார்க்கணும் இல்ல. 1 minute, let me just check what I have made a note of. Sreshtha. Vallabhas Prashastah Pallavaha Pallava Tallajaha. His hand is like a good pallavam. Tasya chaya. Okay. Tasya panihi eva, Dilli Vallabhasya panihi eva Pallava Tallajaha. Tasya chaya chayayam adhyushitaha aham. So I have been staying under the shadow of the hand of Dilli Vallabha, the king. அதாவது ஹேண்டுனாலே கையை கொடுக்கறது தானே, அதுதானே நமக்கு முக்கியம். We don't care about how he looks, whether he is looking handsome or not. A kavi who is living under the patronage wants to describe the hand as great. That is like pallavam, and it is like a very good petal. So he has to describe the hand because it's the hand that gives for them. Yeah.
தாராளமான கையா.
Correct. அதனால கரஹா ஏவ தத்ர வர்ணனீயஹா இது. So Dilli Vallabha Pani Pallava Tallaja Chayayam, under that shadow Adhyushitaha Asmi, I have been staying there. Param Vayam Kavayaha, we poets, Kasyapi Rajatvam Veeratvam va Pratapitvam va Adhyatvam va na apekshamahe. We don't expect or we don't live depending on anybody's Rajatvam. That is his the quality of he being a Raja, or the quality of he being a Veera, Pratapi, he has that Pratapam in him, or Adhyatvam, or the money that he has. I don't have, we poets do not think that highly of all of these qualities. Nava kasyapi sabhimana bhrubangam uttunga kopanchita akharva garva barbaratam va sahamahe. Nor can we tolerate, nava sahamahe, neither can we tolerate barbarata na murkhata, ஏதோ படபடான்னு வளரிண்டே இருக்கிறதுங்கிறோம் இல்லையா, that is barbarata here. So a person who is a murkha, the stupidity of a person who is akharva garva, who has a garva, who has an arrogance which is akharva. Kharva is small, hrasvam. Akharva is a large, supersized ego. So we cannot tolerate. It doesn't matter whether they have wealth or not. That is not of consideration here. But we cannot tolerate a fool or the stupidity of someone, barbaratam, who has akharva garva, who has a great ego here. Kopena anchitaha garvaha, an arrogance which is also marked by anger. Anchitaha kopaha, which is uttunga, which with a great anger, that is shown by the brubangam. Sabhimana brubangam na sahamahe. So we do not sabhimana Brubangam cha na sahamahe, barbaratam cha na sahamahe. Okay. So one thing we cannot tolerate is the king's, the purva nerittal irukya, adha poruthuka mudiyadu. Nor can we tolerate purva nerittal, eyebrow, crunching of the eyebrows because of sabhimanam. Actually இது வந்து
frowning.
இல்ல சாபிமான ப்ரூபங்கம் ந சஹாமஹேங்கர்ச்சு. I was trying to figure out where this goes.
அம்மனம்னா பிரைடா, பிரைட்ஃபுல்.
ஆமா, பிரைட்ஃபுல் ஐப்ரோஸ்ல. அதாவது ரொம்ப ப்ரைடா இருக்கறச்சே அப்படியே ஒரு பார்வை ராஜ பார்வை பார்ப்போம்ல. யூ லிஃப்ட் அப் யுவர் ஐப்ரோஸ் அண்ட் ஒரு ஃப்ரௌனிங் ஆஃப் தி ஐப்ரோஸ், ஃப்ரௌனிங் மேபி,
Not
பட்
frowning, I think.
the nose in the air and the eyebrows அப்படி lifting the eyebrows, more like it. இல்லையா?
Barbaratam is more like barbariousness, right? It's the same word, barbarity. அப்படியே அந்த crudeness இல்லையா?
நீச்சத்துவம்.
Barbarian சொல்லலாம். Yes, you can. அதுக்கு the
You know, it's got no idea of the subtleness of a poem.
okay. So I cannot tolerate the eyebrows lifting up because of arrogance, nor can I tolerate the barbaric nature or the absence of subtleness of a person whose arrogance, supersized ego is just marked by extreme anger. Uttunga kopa anchita akharva garva barbaratam va na sahamahe. We can't tolerate that.
Anchita, what is the meaning there?
Anchita, marked, chinnitam. So कोपेन चिन्नितः गर्वः, गर्वः कीदृशः भवति, कथं भवति इति वयं कथं जानीमः, तत्र कोपेन अंचितः वर्तते. कोपादेव, सो कोपः कार्यत्वेन भवति, तत्र कारणं गर्वः. Is that clear?
Expression of the garva through kopam.
न तस्य तादृशं भूवलये राज्यं यादृशम् अस्माकं सारस्वत सृष्टौ. Kavirev Prajapati, right? Kavi is a creator of his own. So, Tadrisham Bhuvalaye Tadrisham Tasya Rajyam Na Yadrisham Asmakam Saraswata Srishto. The way a kingdom should be and how we have described in our books, Saraswata Srishti here refers to the literature texts that he has, the anugraham that they have gotten from Saraswati. So Saraswatasya idam Saraswatyaha idam Saraswatam. Yeah. Ama. So the anugraham that we have got from Saraswati and the texts that we have created, the world that has been created through the knowledge, in that yadrisham rajyam tatra vartate, kavyeshu vartate, tatha bhuvalaye tasya tadrisham nasti. Tasya, you can take it as Dilli Vallabhasya rajyam tatha nasti. न तस्य तादृशं भूवलये राज्यं यादृशं अस्माकं सारस्वत सृष्टौ. So sometimes the poets can exaggerate and write in their texts. So he is saying that I have actually மிகைப்படுத்தி சொல்றது, அதிசயோக்தி ரூபேண தத்ர லிখিতம் अस्ति मम ग्रन्थेषु, परन्तु सः तादृशं न शास्ति इति. He is not ruling in the manner in which I have written, nor is his rajyam in the same manner as which I have created, I have described. Yeah.
So this Tasya is not just about the Dilli Vallabha, but about all kings, right?
Kimartham?
Bhuvalaye Rajyam. So if it's not just Delhi area alone, he's saying Bhuvalaye Tadrisham Rajyam na.
Bhuvalaye, in this bhumi, tasya tadrisha, tasya iti kasyapi rajnyaha iti va. Why?
Not like that.
I don't think so. Maybe you can take it as an aprastuta prashamsa, wherein he is talking about generalized. Samanyena yah kopi raja bhavati tasya tadrisham rajyam na bhavete yadrisham mama grantheshu vartate iti. But in reality he is actually trying to say that I have described the king in such exalted manner, but he is not ruling in that way. Yeah.
So I think got the Dilli Raja in his mind.
He has that person in his mind, yes.
When we speak generally, கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே சுத்தி வளைச்சு அதான் சொல்றாரு.
ஆமா ஆமா. Yeah,
So
he is.
sentence also that param vayam kavayah kasyapi, there also he's meaning Dilli Raja only, right?
Dilli Raja only, yeah.
Making it a statement in a
He's unhappy.
In a
with himself.
सामान्य रूपेण तत्र विशेषस्य आक्षेपः भवति. Okay, so Vishesha here would be the Dilli Raja. He is actually talking about the Dilli Raja, but he is saying, see, we poets don't care about all this, then which means that person should have shown his anger, he should have shown his arrogance at some point, or his stupidity. So he doesn't want to take, tolerate it anymore. So he has come out of that patronage. न तस्य क्रीतदासाः अपि तद् ईहा समकालमेव बद्धकरसम्पुटाः यथोचितावस्थानाः पुरतः अवतिष्ठन्ते यथा अस्माकं पदानि वाक्यानि छन्दांसि अलङ्काराः रीतयः गुणाः रसाश्च तत् पुरतः अवतिष्ठन्ते. Not even Kritadasaः अपि, even those people who have been bought, servants who have been bought by him using money, tad iha samakalameva, the moment he thinks about it, the moment he desires, the moment any king desires, immediately they won't be present in front of them baddhakara samputaha with their hands anjali putena tatra baddham krutva tatra na tishthanti, na tasya purataha tishthanti. Okay, take this na with the avatishthanti. So yathochita avasthanaha, as is due, as is proper, in the place or position that is appropriate for them, they do not come and stand in front of him. அதாவது எள்ளுன்னா எண்ணெய்னு நிக்க மாட்டாங்கிறோம்ல, அது மாதிரி பணம் கொடுத்து வாங்கியிருந்தவன் கூட நிக்க மாட்டான்.
கோடு போட்டா ரோடு போடுறது.
அது இல்ல, கூப்பிட்ட உடனே வந்து நிக்கிறதுங்கிறதுக்கு இதுதான் பழமொழி. So even people who are bought with money will not come and stand at the same time at the moment that the desire that the king desires, yatha, in the manner in which the moment we think about our words and sentences, chandas, vrittas, alankaras, riti, guna, rasaha, purataha avatishtante, they come and stand in front of the king or in front of us. So as if even people who have been bought with money will not come and stand, but for us it is such that all of these words and sentences and alankaras, everything come and stand in front of us the moment we desire. Iha samakalameva saha deenara sambharaihi api न तथा परान् स्तोषयितुम् अलम् यथा वयं केवलं वचनभङ्गिभिः एव पारयामः. सः दिनारसम्भारैः अपि, dinars, no, their money of transaction is dinar here. So dinarasambharaihi api saha paran toshayitum na tatha alam. He is unable to please others with a lot of money, as like how we please with our words. Vachana bhangi bihi. Bhangi here is the turn of words that we have, with which we are able to, with just the words we are able to please others or please him. That in the same manner, he is unable to please others even with a lot of wealth. Dinara sambhara. Sambhara is extreme wealth.
There Shatru Padatirva is there. So he already knows that he has come with the Ashwa. The boy has come with the Ashwa and he has seen that he has an Ashwa. So why does he say Shatru Padatirva?
So one person, there is only one horse. So one person would have been on foot, the other person would have been on the horse. So there could be a Shatru Padati. Yeah. Okay. Now, अस्मद्वीर रस कवितां च आकलय्य म्रियमाणः अपि युद्धे उत्तिष्ठेत. See the amount of pride he has in his poetry. अस्मद्वीर रस कवितां च आकलय्य. Akalaya shrutva, having heard our words, the Veera Rasa Kavita, the poetry which is filled with Veera Rasa. Even someone who is about to die, Mriyamanaha api yuddhe, if someone is about to die in a battle, he will immediately wake up and stand. Uttishteta, he could wake up. Tasya bhagye chira avasthayini kirtihi samudra kallola aghata sahamcha yashaha sayeva asman adriyate. Tasya bhagye chiravasthayini kirtihi yashaha cha, the person who has yasya yasya bhagye iti bhavitavya. Okay, 1 minute. என்னெல்லாமோ இருக்கு. யஸ்ய பாகே இதி அஸ்தி. ஒரிஜினல்ல வந்து it is யஸ்ய பாகே, because it should be yat pada and tat padam. சரியா? So change that in the text also if it is there as tasya. Yasya bhagye, in whosever fortune or fate, chira avasthayini kirtihi likhitam vartate. For whoever a great fame which is chira avasthayini, which is long lasting, has been written. And the likhitam asti iti, it is understood. Or yasya bhagye, in whose fortune there is fame, yashaha and kirti are the same, but he wants to put it in one in strilinga and the other padam in napunsakalinga. That's all. Samudra kallola aghata saham yashaha. Yashas, a fame which is capable of withstanding, saham, which is capable of withstanding the aghata, the onslaught of the samudra kallolam. That is, even the onslaught of waves from the ocean, which is also salty, can easily erode something. Take the example of the Mahabalipuram temples. So only one is standing right now when he had actually built 7 there. Yeah. So it is because of samudram, erosion from the ocean, that it is all gone today. So even the waters of the ocean, the waves of the ocean, by hitting forcibly, this yashas or this fame cannot go away. Tadrisham yashaha. So a fame which is saham, which is capable of withstanding the hitting, aghata, the onslaught of kallolam, waves of a samudra. Sayeva asman adriyate. Only that person who wants a chirasthayi kirti, who wants a great fame, is going to honor us, honor poets like me. Na vayam meenan iva peenan ibhan iva tundilan. Okay, it goes to nripam manyan, not nripam anyan, but you have to take it as nripam iti manyate. One who thinks of him, panditam manyamanaha, and the madri. That sort of a construction here. So nripam manyan swapne api na samupasmahe. Keep this na separately here. Na samupasmahe. Okay. So we will not serve those who think of themselves as kings, even in our dreams. Those kings, everything else which is in Dvitiya Bahuvachanam is an adjective to that nripam manyan, those who think of themselves as kings. So they are meenaniva peenan. They are obese like fish. Abdilla peenana, they are bloated like fishes. And tundilana, they have a great stomach like ibha, like elephants. So a great stomach na, they'll keep on என்ன சொல்றது,
greed
ஆமா சாப்பிட்டுட்டே இருப்பான்னு சொல்லாம, they have a greed, and so they, ஏன்னா யானை சாப்பிடுற மாதிரி you cannot eat like how an elephant eats, so they have a great greed to satisfy their stomach. Kakan iva aswadita durvipakan. Durvipaka, here again it is a slesha here. Durvipakam can mean that which is not cooked well, or which is transformed after it has been cooked. So durvipakam is something that is not edible. But kakaniva aswadita durvipakan, they are like crows which are capable of eating something which is not fit to be eaten. And here when it applies to the Raja, you take it as durvipaka. They experience their bad karma. So durvipakam, they aswaditam, they experience the result of their bad karma. Vali mukhaniva chanchala mukhan. Vali mukha is vanara. They have a mukham, face, which is chanchalam. The monkey keeps on moving its face, but here you take it as chanchala mukha iti. They have a mukham which has words that is chanchalam. That is, their words are never sthira vak, but asthira vachaha. Shrigalan iva kalita durtata malan. Yes, dhurtatayaha mala yehi kalita. So that Dhurtata is paravanchana. They are like jackals which have taken on the garland of cheating others. Dhrita dhurtata malaha. Dhurtata eva mala athava dhurtatayaha mala parampara sa grihita taihi iti. So Shrigalane iva, just like how jackals, they also cheat people. In the same way, these kings also who think of themselves as kings, they cheat others. So they have taken on this garland of cheating. Dvijihvaniva dvijihvana. They have two forked tongue, like the forked tongue of serpents. So the snakes have forked tongue. They have two jihvas, tongues. In the same way, these people also have retta pechu. Rendu pechu pesadangro, which means they talk one in front and talk one behind the others. So they have a tongue which can talk in two different manner. So they can cheat, basically, they cheat people. Sajivaniva upabarhan, upabarhaha upadhanam, which is pillows. So it seems like as if they are pillows, pillow na satte illen artham. Anta sarameva nasti upadhane. So tatha ete api Sajivan, pranayutan pranayutani upadanani eva vartante. They are just like some pillow which has been stuffed with air and no saram. Full of air and grolla and the mari. Atmastuti matra ruchin. They only like to praise about themselves. They only like praise that is directed towards them. So Atmastutim eva ichanti. Murtimataha eva abhimanan. They are like arrogance which is or pride which has taken on a murti, a form here. Nadamadum garvam. Vidya shunyan. They don't have any vidya. They're completely devoid of learning. Guni gana. Sorry. Guni gana guna grahana asamarthan. Guni gananam gunanam grahane asamarthaha. Those who are not capable of taking the good qualities that are present in a person who already has good qualities. So guninaha vartante, guninam ganaha vartate, teshu ye gunaha vartante, those which are the sadgunaha, those good qualities that are present in people who are really good, tesham grahane asamarthaha. So grahane atra, you don't take it as literally taking in, but understanding. We saw this in Kubalyanandam, right? Grahanam iti avagamanam, buddhi grahyam iti. Yeah. Mithya moda ratan. So they are involved, rataha, they are completely involved in false santosha. So mithya mode rataha. So they are involved in understanding false pleasure. It's not an everlasting pleasure or good pleasure. Madhya kitana, they are like worms with respect to intoxicants. So they keep drinking a lot. And Nripamanyana, those who think about themselves as great kings, Swapane api vayam, even in our dreams, we will, Kavi, poets like us, will not go and serve them. Yeah.
Just like the elephants, even the fish also eat a lot.
Yes. They can grow.
Themselves.
Yeah, you can overfeed them. We can also overfeed. They can also overfeed themselves.
Yeah.
Dillishwara padavidambanamapi tadrisheshu eva anyatamam avagatya kshanenaiva tat sambandha sutram trotayitva rasikantaram kamapi veeram anvishyan dakshinam disham prathitosmi. So Dillishwara pada vidambanam api, even the padam, the sthanam of Dillishwara, tadrisheshu pada vidambanam is இந்த ஒரு கோமாளி ஒன்று இருக்கே அப்படிங்கிறோம் இல்லையா, the play or the person who is sitting in that seat, I felt that he is also a person who is among these people that I have described right now. Tardresheshu anyatamam avagatya. Vidambanam here is one who is ஒரு joke, the joke who is sitting on that throne of Dillishwara. I think I thought that he was also one of these people whom I have described right now. Tadrisheshu anyatanamam avagatya kshanenaiva, immediately tat sambandha sutram trotayitva, immediately breaking off the connection between us. Rasikantaram kamapi veeram anvishyan, searching for another rasika, another patron, who is a veera, who is a brave person. Dakshinam disham prathitaha asmi, prasthitaha asmi iti bhavitavyam. So I have started to come to the prasthitaha eva. Sorry. So I need to correct this. I have started towards the southern direction. Pathicha.
Yes. Like right now there has been a power change in Delhi, and so before there was a different Dillishwaraha, now there is a new one, and so he has just recognized as soon as the rule changed, he realized it, and then he quit.
எங்க இருந்து இது கர்ண புடிச்சல்? Where is the story from? No, there is nothing of that sort mentioned here.
Because he was already in that, he was living as he was living under them for a while, right?
Under them அல்ல, இங்க வந்து whoever is the king, he was under that patronage. It will take a long time to understand the qualities of that. போன உடனே you won't understand the nature of a king. He is a king. King is not at the disposal of the Kavi. So it will take a long time for the Kavi to understand the real nature of the king, and he would have, now only he would have come to understand that he has changed, right? Or that the inner details are all slowly coming out and he is knowing his actual true nature. Avladha. It doesn't say anything about the change of rule. Pathicha amera deshadhishena बहुशः प्रार्थ्यमानो अपि सः तस्यैव दिल्ली वलय कलङ्कस्य लालाटिकः इति अवगत्य शिववीरकीर्तिश्च श्रावं कर्णयोः आकृष्टः इव इतः समायातः अस्मि. So Pathi, on the way, Amer is a kingdom. The kingdom of Amer, the Amira, Amera Desha Adhishena, by the king who was ruling the Amer the country, Bahushaha Prarthyamanaha api, even though it must be something in the Rajput region. So Prarthyamanaha api, even though I was asked many times, Tathapi Saha, that Amera Desha Adhishaha, that king also, Tasyeva Dilli Valaya Kalankasya Lalatikaha, he was a servant of that stain in the name of that stain in the Pradesham of Delhi, Kalanka. So he is calling the king as a Kalanka here, the Sultan as a Kalanka, who is ruling the Delhi Valayam, the surroundings of Delhi. So he is a stain in the Pradesham itself. Lalatikaha iti sevakaha. So he is also a person who is a sevaka of that Delhi king. Iti avagatya, knowing this, Shivavira Kirtischa Shravam, having heard Shravam, Shrutva, hearing the Kirti of Shivavira, Karnayoho Akrishtaha iva, as if I was Kirtimcha Nrikano. Kirtimcha Shravam, Kirtihi cha Shravam, see? Okay, the original has Kirtihi here. So Shivavira Kirtihi cha, it should be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. That's why even if it is Shrutva, you have to have a Karma Padam there. So having heard Shivaji's fame again and again, Abhikshnyena, Karnayoho Akrishtaha iva, as if I was pulled by my ear, Itaha Samayataha Asmi, I have come here. Iti Vaktaram Kamapi Kavim Tyakta Dillishwaradvaram Uri Kritya. So having established Uri Kritya, Nishchitya, having established that the speaker, Vakta, is some Kavi, Tyakta Dillishwaradvaram, who has left the doorstep of the Delhi king. Nija Didriksham Nija Didrukshum Atra Agatam Urikritya. And he is a person who wanted to see Shivaraja, Shivavira, and he has come here. Iti Nischitya, having decided this or having established this, Pradakshina Chalena, Vyajena, as if out that he wants to do Pradakshinam of that Shiva Mandiram, Pantha Adyushita Pradesham Agatya, he comes to the area where the traveler has come. Pantha Adyushita Pradesham Agatya. Tena Alapantam Shivamandira Adhyaksham Pranamya. So this Kavi, Pantha, who is a traveler, who is talking to the Shivamandira Adhyaksha, probably an administrator there, who is the in charge of that temple here. He looks at that person and Pranamya. He also, that is Shivavira, bows down to this Adhyaksha. Baddhanjalihi Agantukamapi. Baddhanjalihi, folding his hands, Shivavira asks Samapritchat Sadaram, with a great respect, he asks the person who had come, the Pantha, Kutaha Shriman, iti, where have you come from? Okay.
The Dillishwara was the Raja and the Amira Deshadisha is the Kuja.
Appa.
He's the Lala Tikar.
Say. So he is also a supporter of the Delhi Sultan na theriyadu. Okay, there are two or three more paragraphs which we will finish next class. Okay, so we'll stop with this.
Here, that Shivavira, where is that link coming from? Pranamya Baddha.
Anjalihi.
Right?
Hold on. So I know where that is. Sna swapne samupasmahe asmadvira. It's even before. Atra निश्चिच्ये यत् क्षणं विरम्य गवाक्ष समीपमागत्य ध्वनि प्रतिध्वनिः अव्यक्त उक्तिं निश्चिच्ये यत्. So that saha should be from Ashroshit even before. You just have to understand that Shivaviraha is present in this sentence. Nischitye, he decided that yat iti vaktaram avagamya agantukam sadaram samaprichat. It comes and completely connects here. Okay? Yeah.